Okay, please invite more IRs and even guests to be present tonight, to be with us tonight, because our presenter will be giving us insightful, informative matters regarding our product as well as our company. Okay, so please invite your IRs to get in our Zoom this time. Thank you so much for those who are always present. We are so appreciative of your commitment to the business. And of course, thank you for responding to the invitation of Renow Connect to attend to this NAIRO. Okay, so we have 16 on board in this Zoom. Let me go over. Okay, let me see who are added. We have from Polomolok, Ma'am Maria Cecilia Cervantes. Maayong gabi, ma'am, and welcome to our NAIRO. Thank you so much, Ma'am Cecilia, for being always present in all our Zoom meetings. So you are showing interest, not just interest, but also commitment. I am also acknowledging, of course, GDL Kitani, Ma'am Susan Iscaro. Okay, good evening, ma'am, and of course, Sir Christian. Sir Christian, kindly, if you can put your family name and the market where you come from, you belong. Ma'am Susan Iscaro is from SK Market. Good evening, Ma'am Susan, and congratulations again for hitting Vietnam, or for hitting the Vietnam trip. Congratulations, Ma'am Susan. Okay, thank you, Sir Dean Valera from Cagayan de Oro Market. You are acknowledged. Thank you always, sir, for your positive response to our invitation every Zoom meeting. Yes, Ma'am Susan, good evening to you too. Okay, salamat sa mga nag-abot on time. Thank you for boarding on time in our Zoom meeting. Thank you so much, Ma'am Dido. Sir Candido. I'm sorry, Sir Candido. Los Reyes from Santa Cruz. Ma'am Maria Margarita de los Reyes from Santa Cruz also. GD Flor O'Connor from Dumaguete City. We have Ma'am Arnelli Magindang from Bohol. Sir Dean Valera from Cagayan de Oro Market. Ma'am Perla from SK Market. Ma'am Sherry Sanyel from Santa Cruz Market. Sir Antonio Sanyel from Santa Cruz Market. Ma'am Maria Cecilia Cervantes from Bacolod Market, or Occidental, Negros Occidental Market, but residing in Polomolok. We have GDL Kitani from Dumaguete Market. Ma'am Susan Iscaro from SK Market. Our senior leader is Ma'am Isabel Alibio. And good evening, ma'am, and also to Sir Christian. I'm sorry, I cannot. I don't know from where is Sir Christian, but Sir Christian, good evening, and thank you for attending in this Zoom meeting tonight. We have Ma'am Remy Nazareno from Bohol Market. GD Remy, a rock star from Bohol. And also we have here from Santa Cruz Market, Sir Joel Coronel. Good evening. And yes, we have here Ma'am Kring Lim from SK Market, Sir Jaime Freno from SK Market, and of course, our GGD, Sir Harold Canyaveral. Mayong gabi, sir. And if you could, sir, ma'am, Zoom user, kindly indicate your name and the market where you come from. That would be good. Okay? So welcome also, Sir Gabon Cubillo from Bohol. And of course, from Negros Occidental Market, Ma'am Riza Kinlat. Another one from Santa Cruz Market, Ma'am Evelyn Coronel. And of course, a rock star from SK Market, Abigail SGL, Abigail Nimez. Maayong gabi sa tanan. I hope I didn't miss anyone. Okay, maayong gabi. And we are ready. But before that, let me also acknowledge SGD, Suzette Bagnol. Good evening, good evening. Okay, so let me thank everyone for your presence tonight. And good evening again, especially to our selfless and supportive and of course, motivating and inspiring leaders, Gigi Harold, Odi Isabel, Odi Edu, Alibio, SBP Cynthia, SGD Sue, and all our GDs, as well as our SGLs, and of course, our IRs. Maayong gabi, good evening, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Okay, now, of course, we are conducting this NIRO, the new Independent Representatives Orientation, not only for our newly registered IRs, but also this is a good avenue for old members, business partners to attend to this NIRO as refresher, no? Because of course we are a master of none and we can never master any training, but joining the training every time it is conducted is big matter and of our advantage. Okay, so let me just give you the Zoom or virtual house rules. We are requesting everyone to keep yourselves muted while the presentation is going on. Be in your proper position if you could. It is a sign of courtesy, of course. Be seated. Lying down is discouraged. Remain the same. Remain in this position all throughout the presentation. And if you could also make your background free from possible distractions, as much as possible, make your background pleasant and quiet. And of course, with due respect to our presenter, please keep your cameras open. Okay, show yourselves to the camera. Okay, so tonight we are proud to have with us our presenter for this NIRO. She is a millennial mom, from Chaton, Negros Oriental, who used to work in the government and under the Department of Education. She realized that there is more to employment, and so she joined Renow in 2020 to pursue entrepreneurship. In 1 week time, she became a one-star achiever, earning 50,000 in one particular week, and was able to travel for free in and out the Philippines. Later on, she saw the bigger picture, and now she is a full-time businesswoman. She is also engaged in social media because she is a SOCMED enthusiast and known as Miss Werpa in Dumaguete and Negros Oriental on YouTube and Facebook. And ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome with a virtual applause our presenter, GD Giselle Kitane.
Alright, grabe Ma'am Nila. Oy, nagkanindot. Congratulations Ma'am Nila. So let's also give Ma'am Nila a big virtual applause. So kaway-kaway po dyan mga business partners. And I would like to request, before po ako magsimula, of course, gusto kong makita yung mga handsome and beautiful faces nating lahat. So, before I start, I'm requesting everyone to please open your camera for a while. Let's say hi, hello. Let's wave each other's hands. Kaway-kaway po muna tayo. Okay, open your cameras. And thank you so much for joining us this evening. O, diba? And please do take in mind kung ano po yung ground rules kanina na sinabi ni Ma'am Nila. So hello sa ating 32 participants and please do invite yung mga bago po nating mga kasamahan sa negosyo because this Zoom is not just for our leaders but actually this Zoom is for everyone, especially po sa mga bago. Okay? So this Zoom is called Nairo, New Independent Representative Orientation. So again, thank you so much Ma'am Nila and hello po sa ating lahat. Good evening. Great evening, awesome evening to one and all. Sa lahat po ng mga partners natin from other markets. We have our Operations Director, Odi Isabel. From Bohol Market, we have Maria Marnelli Makindang, Gavon, Judy Remy, Christian from Dumaguete. Of course, we have Sir Dean. Hello, Sir Dean. Good evening. Thank you so much for being here from Cagayan de Oro Market. We have Ma'am Divina from Cebu, Editha, of course, our Grand Global Director, Honey Furl, Maria Cecilia Cervantes, and Muragdaghan na kayo. Okay, so we are growing, and we are so excited to have everyone on board. So if we are ready to start, kindly type the word excited. Okay? Kung ready na po tayo to start, type the word excited in the chat box. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Ayan, and thank you so much sa mga nag-open og camera. It's great to see you. So nindot ra po nang mag-open ta og camera, at least we get to see each other's faces because I believe we are coming from different markets all over the Philippines and this is just one way for us to gather, to share energy, to share the happiness and of course the positivity in our team. Okay, so with that, medyo daghan ako na istorya, and daghan po kong angay istorya. So I would like to welcome everyone, one and all, in our Zoom this evening. So again, sa gikaingon ganyan ni Ma'am Nila, my name is Giselle Kitane. I'm from Chateau Negros Oriental, and I am proud to say na I am those mga, let's say, nauna sa negosyo. I started way back 2020, and it humbles me, no, sa katong edification ganihan ni Ma'am Nila because my God, 4 years na ko dere. 4 years na ko dere and it's a very humbling experience. I was able to earn 50,000 in 1 week because of this company. I was able to travel within the Philippines and outside the Philippines for free. And of course, ga-income taog dollars, right? And we are able to help other people through our product and through the opportunity. So let's take this as a, let's say, blessing na dapat na itong i-share. And with that, my task for this evening is of course to conduct the NIRO or New Independent Representative Orientation because I want everyone, especially po sa mga bago, to understand ano ba itong sinalihan ko. Okay? So just like you, I started way back 2020 without any idea ano ba itong pinasok ko. But the good thing is the support system is there. Okay? So when you go into a business, it's the best thing that could happen to you is magkaroon ka ng support. And God is good, and dito po yung support system natin, the leaders, okay? And of course, our business partners to help us do the business. And with that, let me start sharing my screen. Share screen. Okay, go. Pa-thumbs up po if you can see my screen. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Can you share? Okay, thank you so much, Judy Remy. Okay, so again, to everyone, welcome to our New Independent Representative Orientation, or NIRO, and congratulations! Congratulations po sa ating mga bagong business partners. Okay, so let me now introduce to you what is Renow Connect. Okay, so Renow Connect is your team. Renow Connect is your family that will help you do the business. It is a local support system composed of individuals, also known as independent representatives. So as soon as you purchase the package, as soon as you are enrolled in the system, you are now an independent representative. And when we speak of independent representative, meaning to say, you are now representing Renow Connect. Not just yourself, but a bigger organization. Okay? That facilitates moral, ethical, and legal transactions or activities for interested individuals na bumili ng Black MP packages from Renow, one of the division of Team Effort International. Okay? And I believe nung nag-join po kayo, you were told that this, as part of support, the team provides trainings both in product and business, and idagdag ko na rin po personal development. Okay? And of course, I would like everyone to welcome our Chief CEO, Sir Mel, kung saan we can actually talk to him in person every Thursday, 10:30 p.m. And of course, our manufacturer, okay, or our, let's say, the formulator of Black MP, Mr. Darren. Okay? Now, let's start with good business ethics. Okay? Alam naman natin kung ano yung pinasok natin, di ba? We are in the network marketing industry, and we are also aware kung ano ba yung nakatie up or ano ba yung most common, let's say, perception when it comes to network marketing. Now, one thing that I can say about our organization is that we are very ethical, legal, and moral, and as much as possible, we want to protect our name. Okay? Again, pag join nyo po dito, automatically you are an independent representative, and as much as possible, we do not tolerate yung mga illegal transactions, mga misconducts. That's why we have good business ethics to start sa ating sarili. So, as much as possible, be honest and fair sa mga dealings po natin. Do not overpromise. Huwag po tayong mag-claim na gamot po ang Black MP, okay, and everything else. So I will just give you an overview about the good business ethics we have here. Yun lang. Be ethical, be legal, be moral when doing the business. Because hindi lang po pangalan nyo ang nakasalalay dito, but pangalan ng ating company, pangalan ng ating organization. Okay? Be the representative of the company in a good way. Okay? Because the company, the team is here for you. So as much as possible, we also want all the independent representatives to protect, okay, the interest of the company. And then, of course, I would like to discuss our support services. This is one of the best things na na-experience ko po sa company natin because grabe yung support, my God. Imagine, I don't know anyone from the company. Basically, lahat po ng mga business partners ko dito strangers, but what kept me going is yung support. Okay? And ano ba yung mga support services na in-offer ng ating company? Number one is we have orientations. One-on-one induction. Right there and then, pag join nyo po, it's very important that you ask the person who sponsored you, what do I need to do next? Okay? Number one, you need to have your list of names, you need to have your dreams, your goals, and how to do the presentation. Number two is new independent representative orientation, which is yan po yung ginagawa natin ngayon. Number three, we also have Zoom presentations about the product and the business. So kindly take note of this schedule that happens every Monday and Wednesday at 8 p.m. And we also have scheduled mass presentations face-to-face per market or per team. Okay? So meaning to say, when you start doing the business, you're not doing this alone. Because the support services are ready, it's just for you to take advantage or to avail of it. Okay? So you have the orientations. Now let's go to the trainings. I started doing the business without any idea how to do the business, but it is because of the trainings that I learned how to do the business. Kasi po sa ating negosyo, okay, sa ating negosyo, we need to learn first before we earn. Okay, that's why we are encouraging everyone to attend all the Zoom events and even face-to-face events that the company holds. Because at the end of the day, you are the owner of this business. The team is here to give you the support. It is for you to take action or to take ownership on your business. So ano ba yung mga trainings natin? We have product awareness. Learn more about the product every Friday, 8 p.m. We also have the systems training about the business briefing presenters enhancement training, ReCon Renow Connectors Convention, which will happen this August 11 in Sultan Kudarat. And we also have the leadership enhancement training led to freedom. Okay? So dalawa pa lang po yan, orientations and trainings. So sa ating mga new independent representatives, make sure na ma-maximize nyo po yung support na binibigay ng ating company. Okay? Next, we have events. Okay. Of course, our business is built from events and events and events because during events, you will experience or you will hear amazing testimonials, not just about the product, but of course, paano ba nag-change for the better yung buhay ng ating mga business partners because of a very wonderful opportunity. So what are the events? We have AHA parties. You can actually organize, para siyang mini orientation. You will give product samples. You can conduct this in your household. Invite your family, your friends, neighbors to be there para ma-try nila yung product. We also have blast. Okay, we will recognize sino yung mga top earners, sino yung mga achievers natin. Anniversary is of course very important din. And of course, online events such as Tuesdays with GGD via Zoom at 8 p.m. Okay? So I want everyone to understand na yung sinabi ko kanina, before you can start earning here, you need to learn. And one of the best things that you can, one of the best people that you can learn from is of course yung ating president and founder, yung ating Grand Global Director. If you want to learn how you can earn 1.7 million in just 1 week time, sino ba yung tatanungin natin? Si GDL or si GGD? Si GGD, of course. That's why please take note of our Tuesdays with GGD via Zoom, 8 p.m. every Tuesday po yan. And of course, get to learn from our CEO, Sir Mel. Every Thursday, CEO Connect via Zoom at 10:30 p.m. And from time to time, we have special guests. Like for example, last Thursday, yung formulator, Mr. Darren Long himself. And previously, there were also mga scientists and doctors who are in the Thursday CEO Connect Zoom. So make sure to mark your calendars kung ano po yung mga events natin. Team consultations. So one also of the best things that I am really grateful about our support system is yung team consultations. Again, I don't know how to do this business at first, but the good thing is meron tayong taong pwedeng tanungin. Okay, so wag mahiyang magtanong, my dear business partners. We have leadership meeting, of course, core leaders meeting, and one-on-one with successful business partners. So your business partners here are your family and are your friends who will help you do the business, take your business to the next level. Okay? Are we learning? If we are learning, please use the heart reaction or type the word learning. Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Now, tanungin niyo po yung sarili niyo. Okay? Why did you join Renow Connect? Or maybe you can use the chat box. I-type niyo po sa chat box, bakit kayo nag-join sa Renow Connect? Is it for the extra income? Is it for financial security? Is it because you want a new circle of friends or yung circle of friends mo andito, financial freedom, to help others, retirement, ayaw mo ng boss or gusto mo ikaw yung maging boss? Okay, so what was the reason you are here with Renow Connect? So I believe we have different reasons why we are here. But the most important thing is, andito ka na. Okay? So whatever that reason may be, make sure that you are able to maximize or you were able to, let's say, kumbaga, kung ano yung rason bakit ka andito, paniwalaan mo yan. Because that will bring you to something great. Okay? So I joined here mainly because of the product. Gusto kong matry ng parents ko, not knowing na mas maganda pala yung negosyo. And of course, during that time, way back 2020, sino ba namang aayaw sa dollars? Right? We all want to earn dollars. And the good thing is, kahit andito tayo sa Pilipinas, we don't need to go abroad. We don't need to be far from our family. We can still earn dollars. Right? So whatever your reason is, bakit andito kayo sa Renow Connect, make sure to maximize. Okay? Now, what is our goal? Okay? Or ano ba yung gusto ng company or ng team na mangyari sa'yo? Okay? I want everyone to understand the 4 quadrants or the 4 sources of income. So basically, just like sa akin, I started as an employee way back 2020. I used to work in the government. Now, sa pagiging empleyado kasi, there's nothing wrong about employment, but it's just that you don't have the freedom. Okay? When you're an employee, kumbaga, naka-chain ka sa trabaho. If you don't work, you don't get paid. Plus, yung income mo is fixed. So kahit ano pang effort mo dyan, yung sahod mo hanggang dun lang. Minsan pa overtime, thank you, OTTY, right? So that is active income or employee. Okay? Second quadrant is yung self-employed. Mga small business owners, let's say doctors or mga anong tawag dito, restaurant owners, okay? Now, they are their own boss. But again, pag hindi open yung business nila, wala rin silang income. And the thing about being self-employed is they need a big capital to start their business, tapos hindi pa sure kung may income ba in the near future. So basically, sa left side of the quadrant, when you are an employee and self-employed, pag hindi ka nag-show up, walang pera. Right? Now, our goal is for everyone to experience passive income na nandun sa right side. Okay? Business owner. When you are a business owner, we are talking about big businesses. When you are a business owner, you need to have a system and you need to have hundreds of people working for you. So for example, let's say owner ng SM or ng Jollibee, right? We don't get to see the owner na andun sa negosyo, but kahit po mag-abroad yung owner, magbakasyon ng ilang months, the business is still generating income. The business is still running because they are leveraging or they are using a system. Now, the thing about business owner or big business owners, you need to have millions and billions of capital. Okay? And of course, yung ultimate goal natin is maging investor. When we say investor, money works for you, nag-income ka kahit natutulog. Sino bang gustong maging investor? You are earning even in your sleep. But again, being a business owner and investor, you need to have lots and lots of money. Now, the question is, what if wala kang pera? Or let's say, konti lang yung pera mo. How can we move from the left side of the quadrant papunta sa pagiging business owner and investor? So dito po papasok yung ating industry na network marketing na despite sa very small capital, you can actually experience the life of being a business owner and being an investor. Okay? Do you want to experience the life of a business owner and investor? Type the word yes in the chat box or use the heart reaction. Okay? So again, the goal of the team or the company is to help you move from the left side of the quadrant to the right side. Okay, which is, yan po yung goal natin. That's why the support system is here para po we have the same goal as a team. Okay? So ito na. Ito na yung sinabi ko kanina. When you start doing the business, expectation setting lang po. You will not earn the millions right away. Okay? So makikita niyo po sa screen ngayon, when you start doing the business, of course, merong effort. And the effort is very, very big. But you are earning very, very little. But what will happen if you continue doing the business? Let's say first year, malaki yung effort, maliit yung income. Second year, malaki pa rin yung effort, konti pa lang yung income. Third year, malaki pa rin yung effort, konti lang yung income. But the more you go or you continue the business, liliit at liliit yung effort mo, but lalaki at lalaki yung income. Until such time na kahit wala kang gawin, you will still be earning. And that is passive income. That is what the business owners and investors are experiencing. Okay? So wag po tayong mag-expect na right away pag nag-join tayo, automatic magiging millionaire. No, 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 my friends. We need to make some effort, and the moment we put effort here, we also learn. And again, we need to learn before we earn. And the good news is the team is here to support you all the way. Okay? And sekreto ng mga milyonaryo, the law of leverage. The ability to multiply yourself, the ability to multiply your hours, and the most important technique to wealth. Tingnan niyo po si Henry C., si John Gokongwei, si Lucio Tan. I think the three of them are dead, if I'm not mistaken. But still, kahit wala na po sila dito sa mundo, they are still earning big time because they are using the law of leveraging. At yan po yung advantage natin being in the network marketing industry. Okay? Now, why choose Renow? Ang dami namang mga company dyan, ang dami namang mga organizations, but why choose Renow? Because number one, this is a global business. Imagine po kanina, may kausap ako from Samar, but she wants to connect to her friends in the USA, in Dubai, tapos ako andito lang sa Dumaguete. So saan ka makakahanap ng negosyo na kahit nasa Pilipinas ka lang, kahit nasa bahay ka lang, you can do the business anywhere in the world, right? Number two, part-time opportunity. I started here part-time, 2020. But kahit part-time ko lang ginagawa yung negosyo, I was able to earn full-time income. Why? So sinabi kanina ni Ma'am Nila, I was able to earn 50,000 pesos plus in just 1 week time, part-time. So this is for everyone. And number three is career. So yun na nga po yung nangyari sa akin. I started part-time, eventually ginawa ko siyang full-time, ginawa ko na siyang career. So I started 2 years part-time, ngayon 2 years full-time na po ako, at masasabi kong ang layo pa ng ating mararating. Malayo pa pero malayo na. Okay? So sa mga gustong mag-shift na ng career dyan, tatagan ng loob. Tatagan ng loob, but eventually you will let's say enjoy the process, enjoy the results, and appreciate yourself more because of the personal development. Number 4, no risk, sure win. Of course naman, bumili ka ng package, binigyan ka ng produkto, may pakapin pang negosyo. Diba? So saan yung risk doon? Wala, diba? Number 5, family business. So when I started here, of course, my goal right away was to invite my family. Because I know meron siyang pupuntahan, and definitely you want your family to enjoy first the benefits before you share it to your friends. So you can do this as a family. And portable business. Yun nga, andito ako ngayon sa office natin, okay? Pwede rin akong pumunta sa, let's say, sa mga coffee shop, or let's say, nasa biyahe ako, nasa bus ako, I'm still doing the business, because it's very portable. Okay? And, ayan. So now, how to succeed in network marketing? Of course, there's no such thing as overnight success, but the good thing is we have guidelines on how we can succeed here. Change your mindset, learn the skill set, and develop the right attitude. Number 1, change your mindset. Enlarge the size of your psychological wallet. Ma'am Giselle, magbenta lang ako ng per scoop. What will happen to you pag magbebenta ka lang ng per scoop? Yung negosyo po natin, it's a leveraging business. It's a network marketing business. You need to grow your network. If you want to experience millions, sige, given na yung you can start with the 100 pesos per scoop. But if you want to experience millions per week, you need to learn how to grow your network. And of course, you also need to learn how to enlarge your psychological wallet. Because when I started here, sabi ko, I started with 13,000 po yun back then. And sabi ko, ang laki na ng 13,000. But nung na-experience ko po yung 50,000 in 1 week, sabi ko, ay maliit lang pala yung 13K. Right? So the thing here is the more you expand your psychological wallet, the more ka rin magkikrave na you will earn bigger amounts of income. So, kumbaga, i-prepare nyo na yung sarili nyo that you will be able to earn millions. And how can you prepare for that? That is number 1, to change your mindset. I-ready nyo po yung sarili nyo. Huwag po kayong mahiyang magtanong dun sa mga showroom ng mga sasakyan. Huwag po kayong mahiyang pumasok sa mga Louis Vuitton, sa mga branded na mga, let's say, apparels and anything, because you need to prepare your mindset to receive something bigger and something greater. Okay? Number 2 is learn the skill set and attend all Saturday systems training. Because the systems is the bloodline of your business. We need to learn before we can earn. And the good thing is meron na po tayong sistema. Lahat ng kakailanganin nyo na information on how to do the businesses, andito na po. We have modules. We have 7 modules, and all you need to do is to attend the trainings. Okay? And no SST, no support. We are very strict in terms of this one because as much as possible, we want to be on the same page. Because if we are not on the same page, mahirapan po tayo makaabot sa unahan. Kasi paiba-iba tayo ng opinion, paiba-iba tayo ng perspective. That's why the SST is here to guide us how we can reach our goal faster. Okay? And number 3, develop the right attitude. Attitude is everything in this business, ladies and friends. Because if intelligence is everything in the business, ako na siguro yung pinaka-millionaire. Unfortunately, guys, if you are someone who is highly intelligent, especially sa IQ, this business is not just about IQ. It's about dealing with people, okay, handling people, and of course, yung sarili mo. Now, you cannot succeed here if you think you are always right. You need to do the business with an empty cup. So, personal experience ko po, yes, 4 years na po ako dito, but I always keep it on mind na I am not an expert. I can always learn from anyone, especially po sa mga successful working upline. So make sure you have a good learning attitude. Kahit po anong tawag dito, kahit po you're older than your upline, it doesn't mean to say that you're always right, okay? Nandyan po sila as upline for a reason. So as much as possible, learn from them, okay? Because, of course, attitude is everything in this business. Okay, so just like me, yes, I'm academically inclined. Okay, magaling po tayo sa academe, but in this business, attitude is everything. So as much as possible, kung ano man po yung mga alam natin outside the business, when you do the business here, always start with an empty cup. Okay? Are we learning? Please use the heart reaction. Okay, thank you so much. And believe. Everything is possible for him who believes. Because in this business, sometimes may sinasabi sila ni GGD na it's not what you say, but how you say it. Because we can always share testimonials about the product, about the business, but the question is, were you able to pass on the belief? Or ikaw ba mismo, did you believe what did you just say? Because definitely, kung sino yung kausap mo, they will feel if ikaw mismo, you're having second thoughts, or ikaw mismo, you have the 100% belief in what you are saying. So I know, kanina sabi ko, enlarge your psychological wallet if you want to earn your millions. I know na kumbaga, parang nagre-resist yung utak natin na, ay, baka hindi ko pa yan ma-achieve. Now, I want you to believe na kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa life mo, that will happen. Oh my God, that will happen. Okay, so believe 100%. Type the word believe. Okay, so sino ba yung who to believe? Okay, of course, number 1, the company. As an independent representatives, we represent the company. Lisod po kaayo if we don't, ang hirap naman pag hindi natin pinaniniwalaan kung ano yung nire-represent natin. Right? So who to believe? Number 1, yung company. We are here to represent the company, so we should believe in the company. And number 2 is your successful working upline. Okay? Your successful working upline. So sabi ko kanina, always have an empty cup because yung upline mo, there's no other person in this business who will put so much effort to you, who will have good intentions for you, but your successful working upline. Okay? And, ayan na. If you help people get what they want, they will help you get what you want. Sabi yan ni Zig Ziglar. When I started doing the business, of course, yung gusto ko is pera, pera, pera. I want to earn this much, blah, blah, blah. Now, the more I grow in the business, the more the more akong nagtagal sa negosyo, the more I learned that if I want my dreams to happen, I need to help first the people under my team na ma-realize yung dreams nila. I know it's somehow parang, bakit ko sila uunahin? Ako may pangangailangan ako. Right? But the thing here is, if you help your downlines get what they want, of course, di ba, aakit sa iyo yung points. So, ano yung income ng nasa baba, aakit yun sa iyo. So, by default, you will earn. So, in this business, we are being taught that we need to serve the people below us. Okay? We need to serve our team. Now, if you have the people in your team earn, by default you will earn. And you will just wonder one day na, bakit ka nakabili na ng sasakyan, bakit nabayaran na yung mga utang mo? Because you were able to help the people under your organization. Okay? And of course, I would like to remind everyone na meron po tayong, let's say, tinatawag na monthly commitment or yung tinatawag na SmartShip. So what is SmartShip? It means to say, mag-purchase lang po tayo ng 1 bottle of Black MP every month or 4 Connect sprays. SmartShip is very important kasi lahat po ng mga bonuses, incentives, okay, are tied up in SmartShip. And of course, this is a way for us to say thank you to Sir Mel, to say thank you to the company because they have been so generous in giving us bonuses. In fact, we have an ongoing promotion until October 2 wherein Sir Mel is giving us higher rates, higher fast start bonuses. So let's do our, let's say, part na lang din to do SmartShip every month. Okay? Because when you do SmartShip, of course, meron tayong lifestyle connect points wherein pag dumami yung SmartShip mo and sa team mo, you will be paid for your dream car or your dream bike, right? So, ayun. Actually, I'm almost done. So, I want everyone to be reminded na there's a difference between interest and commitment. So when you're interested in doing something, you do it only when it's convenient. So kung interested po kayo dito sa negosyo, gagawin nyo lang kung kailan kayo free, kung kailan nyo gusto. But when you are committed to something, you accept no excuses, only results. You show up during Zoom events, you show up during business presentations, you take ownership in doing the business. So again, once pag-join nyo po dito, the owner is not Sir Mel. The owner is you and yourself. Now, go back to the reason bakit kayo nag-join. Is it for your family? Is it for your dreams? Is it for your kids? Is it for financial freedom? Always go back to the reason why you are here because that is your kickstart, but the commitment will keep you going. Okay? Because it's not always, let's accept the fact that it's not always a bed of roses. Even not just in business, but in life as a whole. So make sure you are 100% committed. There is no such thing such as 99% commitment. There's only 100%. Now, kung committed na po tayo, decide if you are going to do this business full-time or part-time. Because you can do this business part-time with 100% commitment. Let's say you will commit 2 to 3 hours per day. Okay? So sa commitment na yun, even though you are doing the business part-time, as long as you're 100% committed dun sa oras na nilaan mo, you can still earn full-time. Okay? So are you committed to your business? What is your answer? Type it in the comment section. And when you declare it in the comment section, make sure that you are committed to that decision. Because at the end of the day, it is your decision kung ano yung mangyayari sa buhay mo dito sa Reyna Connect. Okay? And task, assignment. Okay, I know we always hear assignments sa school, but of course, the company wants the best interest for you. So these are just guides. Number 1, make a dream board. Okay, list down at least 100 names. Identify your 5 successful working upline. Connect in social media. Attend offline and online trainings. Okay, so you can take note of this. Tapos kulitin nyo po yung tao na nag-invite sa inyo na, uy, paano ba gawin yung dream board? Uy, paano ba yung list of names? Sino ba yung mga successful working upline ko? Because at the end of the day, again, you are the owner of the business. And as much as possible, you don't want your business to die. Because you were already able to join here. So, i-maximize nyo na lang po. Okay? And lastly, ayan na. The world is the market. Tingnan nyo po kung gaano kaliit yung Pilipinas. So, enlarge your psychological wallet. The world is the market. Huwag nyo na pong patagalin yung millions of pesos nyo. Okay? So that ends our Nairo for this evening. This is your speaker, Ms. Giselle Quitane. Thank you so much, everyone, and back to our host.
Okay, thank you so much, GDL. Thank you so much for that very insightful and comprehensive presentation of the topics about the who, about the what, the why, and the hows of the company, how we will do the business and everything about the business, especially the business that we are in, the network marketing. So we are again business partners, new IRs, and guests. We are again full with learning tonight, and I know you didn't regret coming tonight. You didn't regret attending this Zoom meeting, for I know that you are learning and relearning. So I am happy that you are considering our NIRO to the old business partners, not in terms of age, but those who came ahead of the others, the new IRs, that you consider this NIRO as reorientation and your way of learning more things. So thank you so much and congratulations for coming and attending tonight. So you are lucky to have, of course, learned and relearned again and again, and even more and more. Congratulations for opening yourselves to be able to do the business properly and productively or successfully. Congratulations, GDL. That was perfect. That was perfect. Sana all. Then congratulations for almost hitting perfection, if I should say that. So, nahiya tuloy ako sa aking previous presentations. GDL, ikaw na lang talaga. Ikaw na lang. I'd rather listen to you than be the presenter. Honestly, my salute to you. Okay, lastly, to the how many? 32? 30 na? Okay, kanina 32 people on board. You have, I'm telling you, you have come to the right company. So continue to do the business. If you have started, keep going, keep grinding, keep learning through our Zoom meetings, and keep earning. And to our guests, do not delay, join us. And if you still have questions, go back to the person who invited you here. Okay, so we will continue bringing on and gaming on. Thank you so much once again. But I would like, before we close, before we end, I would like to ask if there are words from our senior leaders. Ma'am Odi Isabel, do you have something to say?
Yes,
Ma'am
actually,
Odi,
hi, Ma'am Neil. Happy evening, everybody.
happy evening,
Actually, I'm
ma'am.
just learning. I'm learning today. There is not much more that I can say to this evening because I'm also listening and also learning every time. So, congratulations sa tanan nag-attend tonight. Another learning, and we have to understand na ang atong business, we really have to know it. Kaya sometimes man good, getting on ni Miss Giselle kanina, na if we don't have an empty mind or if we don't empty our cups, dili kita mag-grow. So NIRO is the very first training or the very first thing that we should attend because mama ni siya mahibal na to how to grow our business on a bigger scale. So thank you so much, Ma'am Nila, for that one of the most wonderful hosts I've ever heard in this sa atong team. Congratulations, Ma'am Neil. And thank you, and Miss Giselle, congratulations, and all our attendees this evening. Congratulations, and let's get it on, and let's step up and bring our business to the next level. That's all I can say, and happy evening, and back to you, Ma'am Neil, our host.
Thank you, Ma'am Odi, for always giving us words of encouragement and inspiration. You are such a good leader, and you are one of the greatest leaders, actually. And we are lucky to have you in this company. Okay, so to everyone, it was really a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for your congratulatory messages to GDL and also to your humble host. Thank you so much. And we are looking forward to another meeting. Don't forget to be present in every meeting that we have. And see you next week. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye! Have a great evening. Bye, everyone.
Palakpakan natin si GDL. Maayong gabi, regards sa tanan.